Hi, I'm Mrs. C, and today we're going to be talking about ordering numbers or putting numbers in order from 0 to 10. It's important to know how to order numbers because it helps us when we start comparing which numbers are bigger and smaller. Let's get started. We're going to start by taking a look at our number line here. Our number line is going to help us when we're ordering numbers or putting them in order. If we're not sure what to do, we can use that number line to help us figure it out. So let's start with three numbers. Here we have the numbers 3, 1, and 2. And we're going to make a line from the number 3 to the number 3 on our number line, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing with the number 1. Here's the number 1, and here's the number 1 on our number line. And then we're going to do the same with the number 2. Now, we're going to move the numbers so that they line up with where they are on the number line. So let's start with the number 1 since that's the first one that we see on our number line. We'll move it over here and then we won't need that red line anymore. And then we'll do the same. We'll move the number 2 and let's get rid of that red line. And then finally the number 3. And we're going to check again by counting to see if now they might seem like they're the right order. So when we count, we say 1, 2, 3. And when I read these numbers in the order that we've put them now, I say 1, 2, 3. So I know that they're in the correct order. Let's try this again with some different numbers, 6, 8, and 7. That's not how I normally count. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the number 6 to where I see it on the number line. And then I'm going to move the number 8 to where I see it on the number line. And then finally the 7. And I'm going to double check with that counting thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now they're in the same order that I normally count in, and that helps me to confirm or to know that now they're in the correct order. Let's try this again. I'm going to put that number line back up at the top, and now I'm going to put out some cards. 6, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, and 3. That's not how we normally count. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my number line, and the first number on my number line is 0. Do we have a card? Look at all those cards. Do we have a card that says number 0? No. So that doesn't help us. But let's look at the next number on our number line, number 1. Do we have a card that says number 1? No. But we do have a number 2. That's the next number on our number line. And here's our number 2 card. So I'm going to move that to the front. And then we have a number 3 on our number line. So let's look and see if we have a card that says number 3. Oh, there it is. There's our number 3. And next on our number line is number 4. And I see that card for the number 4. And next on our number line is number 5. And there's a card that says number 5. On our number line next we have the number 6. And then we have the number 7. And then we have the number 8. When I count, I say 1, but there's no card for number 1. So let's keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I know they're in the right order. Let's try this one more time. Here's our number line again, and I'm going to put out some more numbers here. And again, we're going to look for that first number on our number line. There's our 0. And then next we have the number 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we know they're in the right order. Now you know how to order numbers from 0 to 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.